Today we're going to talk about what is HTML. Is HTML a programming language? And exploring the basics of what an HTML file looks like. So, let's get started. Welcome back. In this lecture, we start off by covering the very basic of HTML. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. As the word describes, it is a markup language, not a programming language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. The tags describe document content. It is the most basic building block of the web, and every website will need it. It is our first fundamental step in understanding how to build web application. Later on, we will learn other technologies such as CSS to style the HTML and JavaScript to add functionality. So, for this course, I am using Atom Text Editor. There are a bunch of different text editors available online, like Sublime, Notepad++, and many more. And they all are free. You can use whichever suits best for you. I'm gonna give the link in the description. Go check them out. So, let's jump to our code editor and start exploring the basics of what an HTML file looks like. Okay, here I am at the Atom Text Editor. Just close that window. Here you can open up a new folder or you can create a new file. I already created a folder named HTML. I'm gonna open up that folder. In this folder, I'm gonna create a new file named index.html. Index is the most common name used for the homepage of the website. .html is the extension. You can name whatever suits best for you. One thing I want to show you, as I begin to type HTML, you notice that Atom Text Editor has a little pop-up that says HTML. If I hit enter as I see pop-up, I will get the basic skeleton of HTML. This is how Atom Text Editor saves your time. Now let's walk through it and explain what is actually going on. The very first tag explains, hey, you are an HTML document. Then we have HTML opening and closing tag. The difference between opening and closing tag is / after the opening tag, which tells your tag is closed. Don't worry about this lang directory, we don't need to worry about it right now. Then we have head tag. The head tag contains metadata and is used to link our files. The meta tag provides metadata about the HTML document. For now, you don't need to worry about that. Then we have title tag. The title tag shows in our browser tab. Name it my first HTML page. You're gonna understand it in a minute how it works. Then we have body tag. The body tag is the tag which contains the actual content of the website. One more thing I want to show you is how to comment in HTML. Use opening tag with exclamation then 2 dashes and closing it with 2 dashes. Now, whatever you write in between these dashes, it is considered as a comment. The shortcut to comment something is by pressing Ctrl// to comment or Ctrl// to uncomment something. Now press Ctrl+S to save our file. Right-click on the file, select Copy Full Path. Go to your browser and paste the link in the URL. Here we have a blank white page as expected because we didn't write anything in body tag. But one thing you can notice is the title showing in our tab, which is my first HTML page. That's all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lecture.